Alright, pretty simple. Just knock out these bolts here. 1, 2, and 3. Power bolts. Careful when this one comes up too, because you don't want to lose it into the abyss. Third one. It's a 12 millimeter, by the way, on this. Pause right here. Alright, the passenger side. I mean, if you have a pair of needle nose, you probably get these out. I tried, but I just cut it with some pliers instead. You're gonna have to like slide it down up underneath, putting quite a little bit of pressure right here. But once you get to that point, don't be scared. Just kind of nudge it. And I had it on this side of the bolt first, so this end of the bracket was on this side of the bolt. Same with this. I got this one on, and then I slowly just lifted it up, tilted it left in, pressed it down. So now we're gonna put back in these first before we tighten all the way down. Then install this right here, making sure that it's not too high, and I can close my hood. Then we'll tighten everything down and then call it a day. All right, basically you'll tighten down all your bolts, obviously, to your strut, and then you're gonna tighten down these bolts. Is that a good extra 1, 2, boom, good. Do the same on this side. Do that one more time here. Anyway, as you can see, full still in intakes Gen 3. Now a used Megan Racing Strut Bar. Got it for like 50 bucks. 2010, 181,000 miles. I have beluga test pipes down here somewhere. You can kind of see maybe. Still in catback exhaust. I've got the oh, that's open there. Z1 undershroud. Gonna get a tune probably in October time, so not bad. That's your brace. Cool beans. Need to lower it, but that's fine. I want the sleeper look, kind of. No one will know. Full tune and exhaust and everything. It's alright though, interior is good. You know what I mean? Sounds pretty good. Sound clip for us. I have no time. Pretty normal. Nothing crazy. So,
Bluetooth FM connected.
buy one of these. Y'all get the chance. They're worth it.